Ever wondered what lurks beneath the surface of your seemingly harmless shower drain? Well, prepare to be amazed, or perhaps a little grossed out, as we dive into the hidden world of alien-like creatures living right in your bathroom. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about microscopic organisms that thrive in the dark, damp environment of your shower drain. These aren't exactly little green men, but the variety of life forms is astonishing, and some of them look remarkably otherworldly, like something out of a science fiction movie. First, let's talk about the environment, the perfect breeding ground for these microscopic inhabitants. Your shower drain is essentially a miniature ecosystem, a bustling metropolis of unseen life. It's warm, it's wet, and it's full of organic matter, a veritable feast of shed skin cells, soap scum, hair, and even lingering traces of your body wash. This constant influx of food provides a continuous supply for a diverse ecosystem that you might not even realize exists just below your feet. One of the most common inhabitants is, of course, bacteria, microscopic single-celled organisms, the workhorses of decomposition. There are countless species, both beneficial and potentially harmful. Some bacteria are harmless, helping to break down organic matter, while others can cause infections or produce unpleasant odors. These bacteria often form biofilms, which are essentially slimy, layers that coat the inside of your drain pipes. Think of these biofilms as cities for microscopic creatures, offering shelter and a place to thrive. Next up are fungi. These include various species of molds and yeasts, which also love the moist and humid environment of the shower drain. They thrive in these conditions, feasting on the organic matter, often appearing as colorful growths, from fuzzy white colonies to vibrant patches of green, black, or even pink. These fungi are not just unsightly. They can also contribute to the musty smell often associated with drains. Then there are protozoa, single-celled organisms that are often found in water and moist environments. These microscopic hunters include a variety of species, some of which are predators, actively hunting bacteria and other protozoa in the complex food web of your drain. Some, like amoebas, are particularly fascinating, capable of changing shape and moving around, engulfing their prey with incredible efficiency. Imagine these tiny amoebas, constantly shifting and flowing as they navigate their world, a true testament to the wonders of the microscopic realm. Finally, we have the microscopic animals, the real alien-like creatures that capture the imagination. These include nematodes, tiny, unsegmented worms that are often present in soil and water. These minute worms can be found wriggling amongst the other life forms, feeding on bacteria and other microorganisms. They play an essential role in the drain's ecosystem,